We are pleased to show you the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, heated steering wheel, tachometer, first aid kit, driver vanity mirror, navigation system, heated front seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.